Yeah, so you're gonna have to now. I wanted to do this drop off before, but there was a couple of lads on it. You'll be in the paper now, mate. You're going to be famous. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, the Whitefield Times. Page 3 you'll be on. With your big helmet. I'm your trail cam, mate. I'm going to catch you getting some air now, mate. Go for it. Yeah, I got you, mate. I was right just at the back of you, so I should have caught it. I know. Yeah, it's like a it's like the Neo, but just a bit better. It still doesn't have active track, so you still need the Mini 4 Pro if you want something with all the bells and whistles. That's the one I'd go for, because it will properly track you. It'll go quicker and it'll follow your movements, but it doesn't have obstacle avoidance sensors on it, so it does still have the potential to crash. Just a Neo on steroids. Yeah. 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 And it'll do 30 odd mile an hour, so it's unlikely that it's yeah. If you're going to get one though, it might be cheaper to buy it before you go back, you know, in this country. Right. Yeah.